Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Shopify payments outside the US. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. So as you can see, I have the answer here on community.shopify.com. If you want to have access to this page, then all you have to do is click onto the link that I left you in the description down below. Here we have a Shopify user asking the question. He says, hello, I need to ask that I want to use dropshipping business in USA by using Shopify store and Umbrella or Shopify dropshipping and services, but my location is from Pakistan and there is no good options for payment gateway. I want to use by default Shopify payments method in my store. Tell me what is the possible way to use Shopify payment in my Shopify store because I want to sell any products or my products in just USA. And here, as I scroll down a little bit, you can see a former Shopify employee answering the question. He says, we are working on launching Shopify payments to more countries. However, this does take time as there are several country-specific regulations and laws that we have to abide. But before Shopify payments can be launched in a new region, we can allow the use of Shopify payments while operating out of a country that does not support Shopify payments. However, we have very strict and specific requirements that must be met to review the request. To use Shopify payments while operating outside of a supported country, you will need all of the following. A government-issued photo ID, whether it is driver's license, passport, etc. Non-US ID may be accepted. And an SSN will be required, and business registration document. Registered in the US with the government. Proof that the business is actually operating from the US. This can include tracking showing your shipping from the US or proof of a physical US address, not a forwarding address. A USD checking account opened with a real US banking institution located on US soil. Virtual banks and currency services will not work for this. It has to be a real US bank. If you do not have all of the required documents, then it will acquire using one of the available payment processors available for Pakistan, or in your case, from whatever country you are currently in. And that should be it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.